It's a screener card me see, you know, the night when me send Jayden the request. A long time I send the request, you know. Come I say, no, this I get out of hand. And me send my request, you know. Riding follow. And me send Jayden a request, you know. I'm say, why keep you so walk on? You girl, me not like this. Me not spotlight that. I don't even like it for myself. Much less like it for people, Keisha. Me not like that. Me not like it. And she dead, I would dead. I don't call Jayden. A long time from the girl there in yard, I don't call Jayden. The last time I spoke to Jayden is when he was at the police station with his brother about the car. That was the last time I spoke to Jayden. A long time I don't call Jayden. You understand? Long time I don't talk to Jayden. And if Jayden did not go prank, if Jayden do want prank the media, when we go buy the fish over Elcha, why we never sit down and discuss about pranking the media? You don't have to prank the media, bro. Jayden is a funny person. You say something about him bad, and him turn now one way and it becomes funny. Enough people over there daytime for laugh. I enjoy him company, I don't know about others. Jayden is a funny person. But when I go come out and talk about prank, I can't fathom. Where is the prank? Where is the prank? No prank is here? No prank is here. I saw the screener card, and when him hold on him face, so I literally saw tears in him eye them red like him want to cry. Mr. the girl that do him things. Whereas when them start him life, she come up with a dilemma. No, she the next blood clot one, but she apology. Me not take none. You know what you are doing and not taking none. Don't apologize to me, I don't even want it. You can say you're sorry, you're talking to yourself. Because you can't come on me that come say he has no time for you any at all. Because you meet him doing that. Is there you meet him from. You meet a girl that sell blood clot pussy. You go come and say, oh, stop sell pussy. You meet her and sell pussy. And then she broke, she go sell a fuck. You meet somebody a thief. You can't say, oh, stop thief. When them broke, what am I going to do? Not got thief? You meet him that way. So you have to say, all right then. If I come the next time, when I come back here, I'm going to work and save my money and take you to a hotel. So we can have a week together without blogging. So all you can do is take picture, because we're going to go in a pool, and we're going to go this, and we're going to go there. You know, come with sufficient cash. Him not go there and dead for hungry. You're not gonna make him dead with 2 week, 3 week, 4 week. Him missing. Oh, when him come back, him steal. The media is of if the media is of a consistent. If you're absent for 2 or 3 days, you can't ask them to 2 week, 3 week, 1 month. You give them to go somewhere else. Because you're not here. You meet him that way. When you're there far, you sit down on your phone and watch him live to keep your company. You can there, you sit down and watch live to keep him company. Simple. But you can't come out and say, oh, he has no time for me. You meet him that way. It's so you meet him. Him not gonna drop. He might not basically tell us, I'm not gonna drop this for you. You meet me, so. What else you want me to do? We're here together. You don't have no chill. You can't come and apologize to me because I'm not going to take it. Because I say triple attack till last night, you attack something different. Not more than you want to full up the boy mind. For the boy run come back to you. For this time you're going to do him all worse. Cause you can't wait until when the live start, you want to talk. You can't sit down and wait till him start him live, you're ready for talk. You can't sit down and wait until I went me there for the whole time and I when ready for go work. You're ready for start tapping at the pan that. Me tell my man Sunday me not leave you so. Me they at work. So if you want grind, we'll go back it up there so come and I go lock off this. I'm at work. I am at work. Oh, Jayden. Jayden, that is what you're gonna live off, is that feed you? Then you hold on pan car key, I'm never know so 100,000 you have in a car. But think I did half or more. Then you put up video where I kiss your foot. And then you come up. I apologize about what? Girl, go sit down, yeah? You see me I look last night. I apologize about what? You come show a picture with the boy, you kiss your foot. And then I talk about, you apologize about what? You know, over our page. You don't like excitement, you don't like this, you don't like that. So why you post the boy I come and talk about my beating stick? And you say you don't like that. Them trick uno, them can't trick me. Enough of them come trick the whole of uno. I'm going to something run with it. That's what we never do yet. I would have my piece of kitchen. Shanta? Whether the man want to go back or not. Whether the man want to go back or not for them business that. If he want to go back or not for them business that. You get it? I would have seen that, sir.
So, I calm down now and see.
Oh, what have you sir?
You don't have to stress me.
You have to buy it. But I tell you if you buy it. I tell you to buy the ear for me. But you want to do your own way because you don't listen. You want me listen to you or you don't want to listen to me. Something can go, sir. You're the next blood clot one too. Them Arab nasty blood clot drunk right now. Take it by me, you know. Oh, Rosealee, I want to apologize. Apologize to me. When I nail, yeah. If me never strong, if me did come yesterday like me's a weak fence. She throw water upon me. You can't come apologize to me, girl. I came to you with a, you know, so I know, I never invade her space. You know, I know, me not flip the camera upon her. When you see them stop me here. I did not flip the camera on you. I did not flip the camera on you. She go for a cup of water. When she hear Jayden call her, the first thing she come out the door with is a cup of water in her hand. She never came out with peace. She never came out that she wanted to talk to him. If you had that approach, when we came there, we saw it different. If you say, you people excuse, I want to talk to Jayden alone. Jayden, me not a joke. I want to talk to you now. Rosealee and you, sorry Italian, Rosealee go outside. Make me an Italian talk. Make me and Jayden talk. No. She hear him call and come out with a cup of water. She know her intention. She can't tell me no sorry. You know what beat her bad? The fact that when she throw him out, him not run come behind her like a look up. Dog. That beat her bad. That beat her bad. It beat her bad, you know. Yeah. When you hype up yourself, and you be able to get up on the top of the world, that a beat her bad. That beat her bad like 12 noon. Because she never know, say, all in her back her head, he has no one and no one cares for him. She know that. She knows him not have no relative. He has no family. She knows him the damn brother yard and the brother put him out. He not live there no more. She know. She knows. She know these things, TikTok. She knows. She knows him situation. She knows. She's playing with that. As true me know, me not allow her to play with it. She know if she put him out, him not have nowhere to go. She know him not have no money upon him. She know everything. She knows. She know. She know if she put him out, him not have nowhere to go. She know. That's why she do it. That's why she come out, throw water in her face and throat clothes. Move from here. Get away from here. Move. Move from here. You come your door, sorry. Because you know him up alive. You know him up alive. You started the drama. Because each time him go up alive, you did the things them. And I mean start the drama, you. So you go come out and say, sorry now. Well, you know. You know some helpless and him hopeless. You know him not live now. You know if you throw him out, him not have no way for gonna friend you, for gonna but him not a man, him kept me go down on my brother, me go down on my mother, me go down on my nephew, me go down on my niece, me go down on my auntie. You know. He told you this stuff about him. She's not sorry. She's a manipulator. She can't tell me nothing. You eat. They go throw him out and ask me if him eat. If I throw you out of my house, I don't need to ask you if you eat. I want if me and them want to leave, when me I call ask if you eat for, like me do care, me just throw you out. Me just throw you out. She know. Him the damn brother. Him and him brother fall out, him not dead no more. She know. She know this thing. She's not sorry. She can't come tell. The fact that I did this, I want to say, so you can't tell me sorry. Because yesterday you came out with a cup of water for throwing my face. And me and my little girl, me not come about that. And even when I get Jayden in the car key, you still want an argument. I say, come Jayden. Because I say, go on Rose, go on home. Because you get the car key. So when a nasty dev them come talk about is a prank. So it's a prank for the girl to water in a Italian face. A surprise she get. And him surprised too. Mo. She got a surprise. It was a surprise. She got a surprise. She never know that people out there check for him. She never knows some people out there check for him. She never knows him can't get help. She never know that. She never him what not even him never know that neither. But she never know that. She never know that. No, she never know. Because let me tell you, she been do the things them. But true, she been do the things them. I tell him say, boy, but then for shit the day come and she have to go home. She so gone in her yard. So all in the back of him head say, she so gone in her yard. But then she go away. But she never know say somebody go willing come for him, take him away, can go somewhere for sleep, for avoid she for the rest of the days when she there. She never know that. She know what she do. Oh, my mom will see me on social media. Why you post the boy a kiss your foot? Why you post the little boy kneel down on your foot and turn around up and why you post that? With a caption behind it. You know exactly what you are doing. And you are doing it. So when I'm over there and go like that, I laugh till I nearly drop down. Because you deserve it. Because you know what you do. My beating stick. You know what you do? I don't, my mom will, I don't want my mom to see me on the media, nothing no go so. When someone walk around and trick everybody, when you can't pay them trick, then they put that someone walk and trick people. I will stay real as fuck. 4.5k people, yes, I will stay real as fuck. My viewers, them. Everybody on TikTok would come up on my life every day know me. You see me sad? You see me jovial, you see me happy, and you see me ignorant. Me no hold back no side of me. Me no hold back no, oh, somebody saw some of me ignorant and blood clot till me can't even talk. Yes, that's it. When me talk, I know when me talk. You know what for trigger me off. You know when I'm triggered. You know when I'm being nice and loving, yeah, and when me and them do the look of mood swing and you know when I'm there. Sometimes I play music and just there, yeah. Not if I look and give me just a play because I'm gonna one different element. Anything on my mind depend, and the mood my mind depend, I hit me depend. Yeah. Me get everybody that side of me. Me not all back nothing. So when I come to when I tell him, we can't just say bad man for them Dean jeans. Them born with the heights of bad man I come talk about prank. No prank no there so. Cause me come on TikTok and me a beg one wheel. Me a beg one wheel. Me now whisper me a talk. So guys, somebody can send me something loud. The prank no there, sir. Me and Jayden no do no skit. You tell me me no get advice. You ever go look for your advisor. You and Jayden did a go plan prank. Not a big fat shit bad girl, yeah. Yeah. You and Jayden did a go do prank. Not this shit bad girl here. You and Jayden they gonna do prank no me. Me don't need to show nothing in my. Me don't need to show no talking on my phone. Cause me and Jayden nah, and we'll never go down to them the dilemma there. Cause me don't need to come on TikTok, come prank, forget gift. More than I beg it. That's all me I do beg. Me don't need to do that. But him want back some views. Jayden been having views on them people them. When him a say this song go grab her and hold her so touch her anger and him put the caption the girl that only 12. Him do that for people run with it. He did that for people to run with it. The only way that the age caption is wrong. And when you Dev come out and talk, say people in your DM, you never sit down and talk to him as a friend. We are human being. You must can tell people. That person asks me bait for morning. Come here, me can't make you go far. Come, cause you me know you stay here so. Hold your black. Yeah. Tell me if not bait, me not have no problem. As a yeah, what me that say yeah, the caption. The girl at 12. It's just that he put that caption for people to run with it. Ashley's not 12. So we realize him is not that type of person. Because Ashley's not 12. However, Dev said people in him DM I text him about the story. No. When they have a friend. When you have a friend, you can tell them when them wrong, and you can tell them when them right. And I said to Jayden that he came and I said to Jayden, you're wrong. Even though you might not be that type of person, where you portray out of your mouth, let them say, sound about define who you are. So when you're gonna write that, That is what you're basically telling people is that. That is what type of person you is. I know you're not that type of person. When Jayden came out and make that apologies, I tell him to apologize. Cause I know a joke him make, but I just saw him stay. Him young and naive. I told you, when the apology when make is me tell him to make it. No, he's your friend, you have him phone number, and you get message in your DM about him. You don't come here and try to bring him down on the internet. You call him. And you say to him that, brother, I'm not like that, bro. You shouldn't do that. But however, whenever we are human being and we made mistake, let us try patch it. People always troll you on the internet, that's fine. But if you as an individual see where you went wrong, we can patch it. Why they've never come out and said, Jayden, let us try patch it. You know what him do? Make a video. Him a look views and hype for people. And you are the views and you are look the hype. That's why you came up with the topic. And you are look something for run with. Cause you know if you come out and say a prank, people going to run with it. That's something you talk about Jayden from May 24. Now April soon done. So we are come back talk about. That message what Jayden sent come give is from May 24. March, sorry. Hush. My apology, hush people. March 24. I know April soon done. And next what? And this week, and next week I'm here. That week I'm here coming down. And you, I walk and look hyper for people and views. Me not have much. I try to help Jayden in the situation. Because me want to show him girlfriend say. That's what me like when people come over here, other people come over here. I wanted him to show her that no matter what you do or no matter what you say, Jayden I got hours of people have him back. No matter how uno picture me on the internet as a disgusting, toxic individual, me have a whole heap of girl going to comment and go about some on the table of cloth. I say watch my little niche, whole heap of girl, whole heap of people about some on the table of cloth, whole heap of time. I was just showing that girl that if you're gonna left Jayden, help is here. Help will always be here. So you don't come out and show one text message from May 24 and come talk about in April is a prank and me and Jayden up Twitter and the other TikTok and them come suck me with a baby straw. One of the one with the big hole. Yeah. And Dave me attack. Yeah, come something with a baby straw. One of the one with a big hole. Cause on the baby straw big hole. You go freely. But prank your mother. No do me no do. But me not run certain blood clot joke and me a Gemini. And me just feel like someone does. Me feel like say me have mad kinky craziness in my brain. Me know wrong from right. I know when to stop. Me know wrong from right. Me not mix up. He said, me I go take one man, me no need you for tell me when for take him, where for take him, and why for take him. Me must consider and consider that all of them is something there. He said, me have problem, you tap my problem, fine. But you cannot tell me the solution. I have to fix that out for myself. I never tried to tell Jayden what to do. I was just saying, okay, brother, you know that problem here? Take some time to chill by yourself. Come up with a plan. If you're going to forgive Ashley, or you're going to make it up with Ashley or whatever. If you want to go home, fine. You are young and we are all human. I know if I would say we're going to left the boy, when you and the boy left, when you look, we're going back. Me not going to beat you around the bush for that. That will never surprise me. Remember saying, we are human beings, I'm looking for the unexpected. Remember, so we are human beings now. Me look out for the unexpected. Yeah. Not what people do me not like me no surprise. Yeah. Unexpected. Don't talk. Somebody be gonna want wheel. I beg one live goal. I take me for unexpectable. But look out for it. So I know we are come talk about blood clot prank. Like I feel like somebody for come say Shani beg one wheel me auntie. TikTok baby beg me I beg one wheel my niece. Me don't see nobody else me can't beg that little when you may have sitting beg a wheel me auntie. Guys me I beg 2 live goal. Me don't even come out the prank for say that. I can't say it. Our people come and come listen to me and say. Me share my life to them. Me not share my life to people. Them come here, come look to what me I say. So me no need for blood clot. Me no need for come here. Can't tell no lie. Forget no gift. And the whole of we are co-worker. And that's the same thing that Rosealee is trying to show you guys. Each one help one. We're not savages. And only in the comment section I would make it seems like it. We're not that. Each one help one. Me not look no good name. Me not look no good name. Me not look no good name. My writer take some of the girl. My writer show some of the girl like they repeated trash bin the man. How this? May 4th. The girl when named May 4th. Thank you. Shani. My writer put some of the girl like the bin for me now. Please.